Another similar distressing tale has come to the fore from Madhya Pradesh. A day after two young army officers were allegedly assaulted and a female friend of theirs was gang raped in Mo, police have arrested 3 of the 6 accused in connection with the case. According to the cops, the arrested accused identified as Anil Barood, Pawan Vasunia and Ritesh are residents of Manpur district area. All the arrested accused have a criminal background with cases involving robbery, rape and murder. Meanwhile, 3 men remain at large with multiple police teams searching for them. Let me take that point across to Govind, my colleague. Govind, absolutely shocking to say the least with this incident that has come to light. But we're given to understand that the investigation has picked up pace. What do we know so far?
Yeah, absolutely. We talk about the development in investigation. We found that still the investigation is going on and 10 teams have been constituted for arresting those 3 absconding accused, in fact, in this case. And 3 have been arrested. You know that 2 already arrested, presented in the court, and 1 last night arrested, Ritesh. So definitely we can understand police is just involved in the investigation and action also being taken. And yesterday we had words with the chief of police of Indore Rural, SP of Indore Rural. In fact, she shared the information that how this whole incidents occurred, which is quite horrific story, in fact, and it's quite surprising that even army personals, in fact, and their female companions were targeted, and it's also registered the section of gang rape in this. So that is quite serious one, and that is exactly why this incident is being discussed all across the nation. Even Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi tweeting and asking the questions on the law and order, deteriorated law and order situation here in Madhya Pradesh. But as you know that CM also reacted on it, that whoever committed any of the crime has to face the consequences, and 1 or more crimes cannot be analyzed, the law and order situation accordingly. So that is exactly what definitely the politics also erupted on this issue, because the similar kind of incidents we can see also the rape case, which just became the talk of the nation in West Bengal, where the politics erupted a lot, lots of politics was there. But here also it's surprising that Mohan Yadav, the CM of Madhya Pradesh, also in charge, in fact, of Indore, and this is whole happening there in Indore. And earlier, you know that one incident took place in his own hometown, in his own constituency in Ujjain, where a lady was raped in broad daylight on the footpath, and bystander culture was also seen there. So that is absolutely what Congress party is having lots of ammunition to attack on the issue of the crime against women in Madhya Pradesh, and one after other rape cases being registered here, first in Ujjain, then after a few days in Indore, where the army officers, trainee army officers, female companions were targeted, and they were brutalized, they were gang raped. One of them was gang raped because it's also mentioned in the sections which are imposed in the FIR, has been registered in here in the police station of Indore.
Right, Govind. Thank you very much for getting us all the latest as far as this incident is concerned. But